Have you ever wondered how long a person can keep running without stopping? Not with superhuman abilities, but how far an ordinary person can go relying solely on their willpower and physical endurance. To answer this question, we need to understand how the human body functions. Running is essentially an aerobic exercise. The lungs and heart work together to supply oxygen throughout the body. But as you keep running, your body's energy gradually depletes. Energy sources are mainly divided into two types: glycogen, which is readily available for immediate use, and fat, which burns slowly over time. Initially, glycogen is the primary fuel. But as time passes, the body transitions to burning fat. This process is slower but allows you to sustain activity much longer. So, how long can a human keep running? Some have achieved astonishing feats through extreme endurance races. In 2005, Dean Karnazes ran continuously for 560 kilometers, 350 miles, without stopping or sleeping for 80 hours. That's like running from Los Angeles to Las Vegas, or from London to Paris, without a single break. In 2020, John Kelly completed the 431 kilometers, 268-mile Pennine Trail in just 2 days and 16 hours. Nearly the same distance as running from New York City to Washington, D.C. In 2021, Martini Kendall ran the 400 kilometers, 248-mile coastal challenge in Australia within 96 hours. That's like running from San Francisco to Los Angeles in just 4 days. What makes this possible? Keeping a consistent pace, training the body to use fat as fuel, and sheer mental resilience. Pushing beyond physical limits requires extraordinary mental strength. How do humans compare to other animals? Surprisingly, humans are considered one of the most enduring species on Earth. Cheetahs can reach speeds over 100 kilometers per hour, 62 miles per hour. But only for a few seconds. They can only maintain their sprint for about 200 to 300 meters before overheating forces them to stop. Horses can run much faster and longer than humans, but tire after a few dozen kilometers. At full sprint, they can cover 3 to 5 kilometers before exhaustion. In endurance races, they typically start showing fatigue around 30 to 40 kilometers. Even dogs bred for long-distance running, like Siberian Huskies, can't run for days continuously like humans can. While they can cover up to 80 to 100 kilometers in a single day during sled races, maintaining such distances for multiple days without rest is nearly impossible. Humans have unique traits that help them endure. Bipedal running lets us control breathing independently from our stride. Most quadrupeds synchronize their breathing with their strides. Humans can breathe consistently, supplying oxygen without interruption. Running on 2 legs also uses elastic rebound. The foot stores and releases energy, making running more efficient. Unlike most mammals, we have little body hair and sweat glands all over. Sweating helps us cool down efficiently. Animals often rely on panting or specific body parts to release heat. We can sweat through our entire skin surface, preventing overheating. Our legs are built for endurance. They contain slow-twitch fibers that resist fatigue and use oxygen efficiently. Tendons like the Achilles tendon act like springs. They store and release energy, reducing muscle fatigue. These traits helped early humans hunt by persistence. They would chase prey until it collapsed from exhaustion. Animals overheat quickly, but humans can cool down and keep going. Today, ultramarathons test this endurance. The Marathon des Sables in the Sahara Desert covers about 250 kilometers over 6 days. The Badwater Ultramarathon spans 217-kilometer through Death Valley's intense heat. The Ice Marathon challenges runners in Antarctica's brutal cold. With proper training and determination, humans can keep running for days. And still, people push their limits further. Would you try it?